YouTube is one of the most popular video platforms in the world. Some of you simply watch YouTube videos and move on, but there are plenty of people who go through YouTube comments as well. This is why we'd like to tell you how to enable dark mode on YouTube. There are a few advantages of using dark mode on YouTube. It can save your device's battery and reduce the strain on your eyes. Follow these steps to enable dark mode on YouTube. Open the YouTube app on your smartphone and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings, General, Appearance. Next, select Dark Theme and that's it. In case you're not signed in YouTube, no problem, you can still turn on the dark theme. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching.